Let's visit the place where fun feels endless, where curiosity is our guide, and every bite, sip, or splash is carefree. Where we can roam and learn about love, where we'll make memories. Memories we'll share to protect them from time. To remember that feeling that's hard to describe. We'll revisit in a heartbeat, every heartbeat. Caloundra, our playground. In Caloundra, you feel as carefree as a child. Caloundra has everything that helps you forget all the troubles, even when you're adulting. Instead, you're brought back to a time when everything just seemed simple, even if it's not your first visit.